Yo, what's up everyone? It's Habib. AI is everywhere these days and it's changing the game for content creators. We're talking blog posts, marketing copy, you name it. AI tools are making it easier than ever to pump out high-quality content. That's huge, whether you're just starting out as a freelancer, trying to build a following as a blogger, or even diving into the world of digital marketing. Now, the big question is, with all these AI copy-paste tools popping up, which one is the best bang for your buck, especially if you're just starting out and trying to make some money? I've been diving deep into this world myself, and trust me, it can get overwhelming real quick. So, in this video, we're going to break it all down. I picked 5 of the most popular AI copy-paste tools out there and put them through their paces. We're talking ease of use, pricing, because nobody wants to break the bank, output quality, and most importantly, how well they actually help beginners generate income. Stick around to find out which one comes out on top. First up, we're taking a look at Jasper AI. This tool is like the powerhouse of the group, and it's easy to see why people gravitate towards it. Right off the bat, you'll notice how user-friendly the interface is. They've packed it with tons of templates for basically any type of content you can think of: blog posts, social media captions, even scripts like this one. And the quality. Let's just say Jasper knows what it's doing. The output, especially for longer pieces, is seriously impressive. It's clear, engaging, and it just sounds good. Plus, they've built in these AI-powered SEO features that help optimize your content for search engines. That's huge if you want people to actually find your work online, and there's always a but. Jasper comes with a price. It's definitely one of the more expensive options out there, which might be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're just starting your content creation journey. Also, while the interface is generally user-friendly, some of the more advanced features might take a bit of time to get the hang of. Next up, we've got Writesonic. Now, if you're all about speed and efficiency, especially when it comes to shorter content, Writesonic might just become your new best friend. Think ad copy, blog post ideas, those catchy social media posts. Writesonic churns them out like it's nothing. And here's the best part, it's incredibly budget-friendly. They even have a free trial so you can test the waters before committing. Plus, just like Jasper, they've got a library of templates to choose from. So, no matter what you're working on, there's probably a template that can give you a head start. And now, I will say the output quality can be a bit hit or miss sometimes. It's not always as polished as what you might get from Jasper, and you might find yourself going back and making some edits. But hey, for the price and the speed, Writesonic is definitely a contender. All right, let's talk about Writer. This tool is all about simplicity and ease of use, making it a really solid choice for anyone who's brand new to the world of AI content creation. The interface is clean, straightforward, and you don't need a degree in computer science to figure it out. And when it comes to pricing, Writer is a winner. Their plans are super affordable, even for the premium version. So if you're on a tight budget, but still want access to solid AI writing capabilities, Writer has got you covered. However, there are some trade-offs for that simplicity and affordability. Compared to Jasper, Writer's feature set is a bit limited. You won't find those super advanced options here. And while it's great for shorter content like social media posts or quick blog articles, the quality might not be as consistent for longer, more in-depth pieces. Now, if you're all about that creative flair, especially for marketing and advertising, then you need to check out copy.ai. This tool is like the wordsmith of the group, always ready to help you craft compelling copy that converts. One of the things I love about copy.ai is its focus on templates specifically designed for lead generation and product description. So, if you're running an online business or trying to grow your audience, these templates can be incredibly valuable. That being said, copy.ai does have a couple of drawbacks. First, it doesn't have the same robust SEO optimization tools that you'll find in something like Jasper. And second, it can get a bit pricey if you're not careful, especially if you're a beginner who's just starting to experiment with AI content creation. Last but not least, we have ScaleNut. Now, this tool is in a league of its own when it comes to SEO. If you're a blogger, content creator, or anyone who lives and breathes search engine rankings, ScaleNut is definitely worth a closer look. What sets ScaleNut apart is its laser focus on creating content that ranks well on Google. They've got some really powerful long-form content generation features that are perfect for crafting in-depth, informative blog posts. And let's be real, in today's online world, having content that ranks well is crucial. However, ScaleNut's strength is also its weakness. Because it's so focused on SEO, it can feel a bit overwhelming for complete beginners. There's definitely a learning curve here, plus it's one of the more expensive options on the list. So, after putting these 5 AI copy-paste tools through their paces, which one comes out on top for beginners looking to make some money? Honestly, it's a tough call, but for me, Writesonic takes the crown. Here's why Writesonic strikes that perfect balance between affordability, ease of use, and versatility. You can literally start creating content without spending a dime thanks to their free trial. The interface is super clean and intuitive, even if you've never touched an AI writing tool before, and they've got a template for pretty much everything. Whether you're whipping up blog posts, crafting attention-grabbing ad copy, or keeping your social media game on point, Writesonic gives you the tools to monetize your content creation skills. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered writing and start building your online income stream, definitely give Writesonic a try.